Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to make Roblox bundles. Roblox bundles are fantastic ways to offer unique character appearances to players by combining several avatar items into one cohesive package. These bundles can include body parts, clothing, and various accessories, giving creators immense flexibility. To begin, you will need access to Roblox Studio and a developer account, which are essential tools for bringing your creative visions to life on the platform. Before diving into Roblox Studio, meticulous preparation of your assets is crucial. You will design individual mesh parts for your bundle in a three-dimensional modeling software, ensuring each piece is perfectly crafted. It is vital that all meshes are properly UV mapped and textured, ready for the Roblox environment. Export each mesh as an FBX file, carefully maintaining a consistent scale across all components. Always verify your assets meet Roblox's technical specifications for a smooth upload process. Success in Warzone often hinges on excellent teamwork and clear communication. Always call out enemy positions, their numbers, and any relevant information to your squad mates immediately. Sharing resources, such as extra armor plates or ammunition, ensures everyone is prepared for the next fight. Coordinate your movements and pushes as a unit, moving together to overwhelm opponents and secure strategic points. A cohesive team is a winning team. With your bundle assembled, the final step is publishing it to the Roblox marketplace. You will set the price and availability for your new avatar bundle, deciding how players can acquire it. Craft a clear, engaging description and create compelling thumbnail images to showcase your creation effectively. Submit your bundle for moderation review through the Creator Dashboard, a necessary step for all new items. Finally, promote your bundle to attract players and generate sales, bringing your unique vision to the Roblox community.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.